Hello students, today I am going to deliver my lecture number 18, story number 1. Story number 1 of this book Broadway of class 2. Open your page number 7. Mole goes boating. Now we are going to start reading. Mole lived in his house under the ground. One day he wanted to see the world. He went out of his house and walked a long way. Suddenly he saw water flowing by. He was very surprised. He had never seen a river before. There was a hole on the other side of the river. Reddy lived there. Reddy said to Mole, "Hello, I am Reddy. Come on over." Mole didn't know how to cross the river. So Reddy came over in a boat. Mole had never seen a boat before. He got into the boat and he loved it. "This is wonderful," he said. "I just love boats and rivers." Reddy filled a basket with food and they rode down the river to have a picnic. They meet Otter and Beaver. You can see this picture and you can see Reddy and Mole. Open your next page, page number 8. And they had such fun. It got dark, so Reddy and Mole started to go back. Mole wanted to row the boat now. He took the oar from Reddy's hand and tried to row, but he fell out of the boat into the water and the picnic basket fell out of the boat too. Reddy jumped into the water. He helped Mole get to the shore. Then he jumped in again and found the picnic basket. Mole said, "I am terribly sorry, Reddy." Reddy said, "Don't worry, Mole. Come and stay with me for a few days and I will teach you how to row a boat." Mole was so happy. "This is the best day of my life, Reddy," he said. Open your next page, page number 9. Quiz time. This is a part of literature. Put a cross after sentences that are wrong. Put a cross after sentences that are wrong and tick after sentences that are correct. Number 1. Mole lived in a hole on the bank of a river. Cross. Number 2. Mole crossed a river by himself. Cross. Number 3. Reddy took Mole in the boat for a picnic. Reddy took Mole in the boat for a picnic. Tick. Number 4. Only Reddy and Mole had fun at the picnic. Cross. Number 5. Mole knew how to row a boat. Cross. Activity. This is a part of language. You have met your animals in the story. Who are they? Find their names in the square below. One has been marked for you. Now we search the name of animals in this box. You can see Mole in green color, Beaver, Reddy, Otter. We mark these words. Now your lecture is over.